guys, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. My name is Cynthia. Hello. Today I'll be showing you how I use my whipped shea butter on my hair. Basically just moisturize my hair with my whipped shea butter. I did my whipped shea butter at home and just basically I showed you the whole process there. Go check that out. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just go down below and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. So guys, I've switched up my wash day routine. So when I come out of the shower, my hair is already in sections, which makes it easier for me to just apply what I have to apply and just go out. If you're interested in me doing like an updated wash day routine, let me know down in the comment section and I will do that. So what I will do first is to take out my section. This is it. My hair is soaking wet right now. I just came out of the shower and I'll apply my leave-in conditioner. I'll be using my Canto leave-in conditioner and just take a good amount of that and just apply that in my hair. Then I go in with my DIY whipped shea butter. This is it. I'll just take a good amount of my whipped shea butter, rub that in my palm and put it in my hair. You see how it just melts in your hair once you put it in? I love that. I'll go in with more, but this time I'm putting it around my hair so they get the whipped shea butter also. Now I'll go in with my detangle brush and just distribute the product more by combing through it. Done with this and my hair is feeling very smooth. I'll just go in, take the next section and just repeat those steps again. Let me do that one more time and then I'll go off camera to do the other two sections and show you how I look afterwards. My leave-in conditioner. Don't forget your ends because they are the oldest part of your hair. Moisturize your ends, that's very important. And I take in my whipped shea butter. This is how it looks when you rub it in your palm. If you can see, it will just look like this at first, but once you put it in your hair or just rub it a little bit, it's going to melt off and sink in your hair directly. You see? And it's gone. I go on the sides of my hair. And just massage that in also. After that, just take your detangle brush once again and just brush the product through your hair. So that's basically all I do. I'll just do the rest of my hair and I'll come back to show you how it's looking. Guys, I am done and this is what I'm left with. My hair feels really soft, feels well moisturized, and also this took about like 5 to 10 minutes because I'm doing it in front of the camera. If I should do this off camera, it takes like 5 minutes and I'm done because it's just basically 4 sections that I have to moisturize and I'm done with this. Do you use the same method to moisturize your hair the way I do? If you use something else, let me know also in the comment section. I'm open to try out things. You can also use the comment section to you can also use the comment section to suggest videos that you would like to see from me. Then I can go through it and see if I'm into that or not. But feel free to just suggest videos that you want to see from me down below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please just take that time to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate. Like this video if it was really helpful, and also comment down below your thoughts about the whipped shea butter. That is all for now, and see you in my next video. Bye.